Why should you choose Red Hat for your SAP workloads? Red Hat and SAP share a solid alliance and a 20-plus year history of co-innovation. Here's how Red Hat can support your SAP environment's intelligent applications as you innovate using data and analytics. Data intelligence. Make the most of your data by connecting sources together to apply artificial intelligence and machine learning to give insights to support your data-driven processes and spur on innovation. Access, combine, and leverage SAP and non-SAP data sources using Red Hat OpenShift and Red Hat OpenShift Data Foundation. Together, they provide the foundation to run SAP Data Intelligence on-premise or in public cloud, providing a complete, certified, end-to-end platform for any workload. Choose the Red Hat portfolio to run SAP with confidence from migration onward. Simplify environment complexity by modernizing your application platform, and extend your SAP capabilities as you look to future innovation. Let our experience, technology, and collaboration with SAP help your organization succeed now and in the future. Red Hat for SAP. Open for business.